Hello everyone. Welcome to Athleti ISL Weekender. I am Saurabh Riker and we have three different fans from three different clubs with us today. I would be asking them a few questions regarding ISL. So let's check out their answers. So first we have Deepraj Singh of Bengaluru FC. We have Thomas Jacob of Kerala Blasters FC and we have Rahul Dinkar of FC Goa. Deepraj?
Yeah, hi sir. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, Deepraj?
I'm fine too.
Yeah, Deepraj, give a short intro about yourself.
Hi guys. This is Deep Raj. I'm currently doing masters in sports management from ISM. I reside in Noida currently, and hopefully waiting for things to settle down so that I can move into Mumbai soon.
Yeah, seriously, that has to be. Yeah. Okay, so coming next to Thomas Jacob.
Hello guys, hello. My name is Thomas Jacob and I am from Kerala. So you can see on my chest I am which
We
club
can
I am
very well see
supporting.
that from your
yeah,
jersey. Yeah.
yeah, I am from Kerala and I am in means now we are facing this kind of problem. I am also pursuing this same first year means MSM in Andheri, International Institute of Sports Management College in so we are looking forward to meet each other, and that's it.
Yeah. Yes. So coming to Rahul Dinkar, FC Goa.
Yeah, guys. So my name is Rahul Dinkar, and I'm from Mumbai itself. But I support FC Goa. That is a very unusual thing to that I'm a Mumbai guy supporting FC Goa and not liking Mumbai City FC too. So yeah,
Why,
so
bro?
I'm doing,
Why?
yeah, yeah. No, no.
Tell us, tell us
I
the
don't like
one good
Mumbai City.
reason.
No, no, not
Maybe
a
you should
particular
have
reason, but I
transferred like Lobera this time.
no, no. From the start itself, I don't like Mumbai City FC.
Okay.
Don't know why. Yeah. So I'm doing masters in ISSM, ISM. So just hoping everything will be good and we'll meet very soon.
Surely,
That's it.
surely. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. True that. Okay, so let's start with the questions. So
Yeah.
this is a general question for all three of you. So we'll go in a series. So first Deepraj, you answer, then Rahul, and then Thoms. Okay. So my first
Okay.
question is, what is your journey of becoming the fan of your club?
So actually, my journey started a bit late. It started around 2016, if I remember correctly.
Okay.
The club actually debuted in 2013. I even followed them a bit during that time, not regularly, but since I am a Sunil Chetri fan, I've been a fan for quite a few years of him. So I followed them a bit, but my journey actually started around in 2016. Their
Okay.
road to AFC Cup final 2016. It was a memorable
Right.
one. I mean, they have been a model of consistency for not only Indian clubs but even the Asian clubs, if I may say. They
Correct.
have
Yeah.
been consistently performing well in the AFC competitions. So yeah, so since then I've been following them regularly since 2016.
That's great. Yeah.
Bro, who is not the fan of Sunil Chetri? The whole India is the
Yeah.
fan of the.
Exactly.
Yeah,
I
exactly,
mean, there is
exactly.
no Indian who can be a he cannot be a fan of Sunil Chetri,
Yeah.
no
Absolutely.
doubt.
And we are proud of him.
Exactly. And after his video for all the fans to come and
Yeah,
watch the
Yeah.
football, I think
Yes,
non-footballers also became his fan, no
yeah,
doubt
yeah.
about it.
yes.
Yeah.
It's
Obviously,
it
no doubt.
inspired a few more peoples in the country.
Exactly. Yeah.
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 So yes, Rahul, question for you: the journey of becoming the fan of your club.
Okay. So as in when ISL was announced, so I didn't know which team I was gonna support. So I was a Virat Kohli fan, and I heard some news that Virat Kohli is going to go on FC Goa. So it was one point. Another was that Zico and Robert Pires were going to be in FC Goa squad. Like
Oh,
Zico was the manager and Robert Pires is was an inspiration too at that time.
correct.
So like when Zico started in the first season, like we did great in the first half of the season. Like we were almost at the eighth position in the table, and no one thought that we will we will qualify for the group stages also. So at the second half of the season, we like literally won 5 out of 8 games, and we are at the second spot and qualified for the playoffs. And but unfortunately, we lost to ATK in the semi-finals. You
Semi-finals.
know, in the first
Hardly.
from the first season itself, ATK is the like most uh,
Strong.
dangerous team in
Consistent
ISL.
team in
Yeah,
ISL, no doubt. Yeah.
consistency, like no doubt. Yeah, perfectly. So yeah, that was one reason for supporting FCGO, and FCGO's love for increased season after season. Like we went performing very good, but the third season we didn't do well, and immediately after the third season, Sergio Lobera came, and like the team performed pretty consistently for the
Correct.
particularly 3 years, and the sacking of Sergio Lobera did hurt a lot. Like
Correct.
he was very
Yeah.
loved by all the fans, literally not just FC Goa fans. Like the last match I saw between Mumbai City FC and FC Goa at the Mumbai Arena, there we saw like Mumbai City fans also cheering for Sergio Oliveira, and the FC Goa fans
Oh,
like
wow.
they literally made huge posters of him, and they're cheering for him. And he also uploaded the crowd by cheering them. Yeah.
Oh,
So that's been my journey for supporting FC Goa.
okay. So you said Robert Pye. So are you an Arsenal fan too?
No, no, no. I'm a Real
Ah,
Madrid fan, but he was
that's
one of the
better than
greats that
Arsenal,
time.
Maybe
obviously.
he's
Yeah,
an RCB fan.
yeah, that you can
Okay.
say that. But
Anyways,
at least in FC
yeah,
Goa, we are winning. We won a cup,
Yeah.
correct.
something.
So over to you, Thomas.
Yes, yes. Good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. Since India is a cricketing nation country, I am also I also love with cricket. Absolutely love. I never watched football, and I was a kind of person like that. So
Okay.
so in IPL also we are also not having a state representative from our means there was no Kerala something team. So ISL gave us that one good team, and the legend, the cricketing god, gave us that team. So we don't have any option to without supporting them. So that's the main and particular reason. And the opening season was also great, and I think you all know about the KBFC Manjapada. I don't know
Yeah.
you believe it or not, KBFC Manjapada Instagram followers is more than ATK Morgan Bagan FC.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Heard,
So
heard. I've seen that.
yeah, so yeah, I am proud to support this club. Win or loss, I am with Kerala Blasters.
Kerala. Yeah. So you're saying they have the highest number of Instagram followers in ISL,
Yes, absolutely. I am
as in
talking
the
about the
club with the highest followers, right?
no, yeah, that is of course. They are with 1.8 million followers in Instagram.
Wow.
See, that ISL, the Indian Super League page, only having 1 million.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness. Wow.
Yeah,
Ah,
What
and
a
their
fan
fans are
following.
also amazing. Their fan
yeah,
reminds me of Borussia Dortmund fans. Like they are,
Yeah,
Crazy fan.
you
the
can
Yeah.
same
remember.
yellow wall. Yeah,
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 the
yeah.
same yellow wall. Yeah,
Same yellow wall.
you
Yeah.
can see
very
my
crazy fan.
goosebumps coming.
Yeah, yeah,
Correct. Correct.
Always proud to say that.
yeah.
No doubt. Okay, so let's move to our second question, and that is a brief summary on all the games till now your club has played. So, Thomas, can you start?
No problem.
Yeah.
So we have completed our 3 good games, and we are going to face FC Goa today. So first
Wow.
game we are
So it's Thomas
actually
versus Rahul today.
Yeah, today,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
Wow, great.
We are going to win our first game, Rahul.
just try.
So much rivalry here.
So
Yeah, go
first
on.
game, so first game opener was a little bit tough for us since everything to become means everything to be the combination. They have to check every combination forward, defense, and everything was kind of checking for us because the foreign players are all new, and also we are the team since we are focusing means from our side we are don't have any idea regarding the team. So they fought like a good team they have, and good part is our defense. The things that you all know that Jingan replaced to ATK.
That
That
was
never seen
Heartbreak.
in.
that was a big
Yes,
move.
yes,
That was
One
a
of
yes.
the
big move.
biggest transfers of Indian football this season.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
So that even though that change happened, we are not affecting in that defense line by signing two legends, Pekrikon and Costa, and
Correct.
Nishu on the left and Jessel on the right. So we are not. Defense is okay. They are building the midfield, and the second game also they come back very much stronger with scoring two goals. And later after 75 minutes, I think that five changes are affecting the teams. I mean, they affected
Correct.
the team combination and the things. So that changed, and they receive, I mean, they consider another two goals and game end in a draw. And the third game, Chennai NFC also what little bit tough. All that game was blunder
Correct.
by all about that game was Albino Gomez. He made a blunder mistake in the half and saved the match by saving penalty for
Saved a
us.
penalty. Yeah.
Yes,
Mhm.
bro. That he was a heart attack and they saved the match. So that's the
From
all
zero
three
to
match.
hero in no
Yes,
time.
absolutely. He scored, I think, 9.72 points, and he is there in the team of the week. He is the
The dream
goalkeeper.
team of the
Yeah,
week.
yeah, right. Yeah, right, right. So
Nice.
that's all about that three matches, and we are looking forward for our first win against Goa today.
Not going to happen. Not going to happen.
So coming to you, Rahul,
Yeah.
a brief
So
summary
this
on all the games FC Goa
Yeah,
has played.
so this season was like a revelation because mostly our main stars, like not only mids, even literally for defense mids and attacks, all our main players were sold, like Murtada Paul, then Yahoo, then we sold literally Hugo Boomas. That was a big shock because he was a
Right.
young player and he was the main playmaker and a creative player in the
Correct.
mids who used to make balls and create chances for
Personally, I feel he can play in any top
any role,
European club,
any role.
and
Yeah,
he's
Absolutely.
just
Yeah,
I
21.
absolutely.
yes.
yeah, yeah,
Maybe.
absolutely.
Last game, all the three goals coming from his pass and
Yeah,
Yeah,
goal.
it's
he has
crazy.
a hat trick of assist last game. Yeah.
Right, right,
Yeah,
right.
Right.
yeah. Plus, and the main striker Korominas, like he's the highest goal scorer of ISL within 3 seasons only. He has played only 3 seasons and he's the highest scorer. So selling him was also a bit off. But we have made pretty good signings, but the combination is not yet fit because in the first game, I guess we played pretty good, I guess, and in defense we made errors like for man marking for the first goal, the man marking was very poor, and but I guess we played very well in the second half because Lobera's team never had that intent to come back from 2-0 down in the first half against Bengaluru FC because it is not very easy to come back against Bengaluru FC because they have a very pretty good strong attack defense and it's pretty good team like they have that combination to beat any team. So first game was okay. Like in the second game, I was pretty shocked because they didn't play Brandon Fernandez because after Bumo, he is the main player of the team who can like make creative passes and through balls to the strikers. So it
And
was a
score
bit
as
of
well.
because
Mm.
yeah, but he also scores. But main was that he makes those pretty creative balls, and he didn't even play a single minute in the second game. In the first game, at least he got some minute, 40 minutes around. But in the second game, he didn't play a single minute, so it was a bit disappointment. Second game, it was okay, and in the third game, I guess yeah, we played well. Just need to focus on the defense and the forward players and the mids are pretty combining very well. So I guess today we'll get the win. Perfect combination of Ortiz.
I think Thomas is going
No,
to say something
no,
now.
no, Rahul.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
Rahul, we
No,
are
we can
not
see the
going to give
combination.
any points.
Yeah, yeah. No, no,
we'll,
sure.
we'll
We can see.
we'll settle this debate next weekend.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Well,
so coming over to Deep Raj.
It has been a pretty rough start, if I may say. It's not the start ideally you will hope for a club like Bengaluru FC. We have been lagging in the final third. We are pretty much clueless as an attacking unit still, even though we haven't lost a game till yet. But the
Right.
fluid football that we are a bit used to, or we were a bit used to, has been lost somewhere. And it's not just this season, it was there also the last season, even though we qualified for the playoffs. But still, the gameplay that was there during the Roca era, if you remember, it has been
Correct.
lost down there,
Right.
somewhere down the line.
Okay, great. So
Yeah,
before we
but
move
because
on to our
Bangalore,
next, yeah, sorry, yeah,
yeah,
tell.
Bangalore have set some high standards. So without a game in
Yeah,
3 games, it
exactly,
is pretty
exactly. Same.
disappointing. With FC Goa
Correct,
too, like they have very high standards starting from the season, last
correct,
season. Yeah.
agreed. Yes. Yeah, so moving to our next, I mean, before moving to on our next question, I'd just like to say something that Athleti posts ISL daily quizzes on Instagram, and we have been doing this from 2 weeks. So the winner of our first week was Nathaniel. He scored 14 correct answers from 20, and the winner of the second week was Yash. He scored around 24 out of the 30 questions. So I'll tell people to compete in that, participate in that, and obviously the highest scorer will be on our Instagram story on Sundays. So participate in that. So coming to our question, to Deepraj, it is, what are your thoughts on the iconic first ever ISL Kolkata derby?
It was massive, both in terms of anticipation for the match and the viewership it got on the OTT platform.
Correct.
I guess it was the first ever derby in their history without the fans, but still
Without
the
fans.
intensity of the game from both the side, having a go at each other constantly, fighting for every inch of the grass, if I may say, was quite eventful. It truly justified the hype of the being the first ever Kolkata derby in the ISL.
Agreed. Correct. Right. Okay, so coming to Rahul.
Yeah, so I've never saw the game between them. So it was the
Okay.
first time I was watching the Kolkata derby. So like Atletico played very well, like Mohan Bagan, ATK Mohan Bagan now.
It's okay.
Yeah,
It's both are
yeah.
merged. Yeah.
It will take time to, yeah. So I guess
Correct.
Bengal also played well in the first half, I guess, but I guess they haven't played very good yet now. So looking forward to it.
Yes. So Thomas, your
So I have
insights.
already mentioned that I am totally into cricket. So I was not aware of this old derby and all. So
Okay.
and the ISL and the platform, all in every matches they are mentioning about this derby, and I googled it. I was literally shocked about the audience support that happening in the derby and all.
Correct.
So I was very much looking forward, and I saw the match, and ATK was little. They were tough. They are always tough, and they
Yeah.
won the game. And East Bengal, I think they have to do. Means that there nothing goes right, or the something is missing in that team. They have never won any game, or even they got any points till they
Three
played four or
matches
three matches.
played, three
Yes,
losses
yes,
Yeah, they
for
have
absolutely.
been a
East
bit
Bengal.
unlucky also. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. There something
Yeah.
is missing. They're playing good, but something somewhere is missing. I
Yeah, they are
don't know.
missing in the final third because
Yeah.
they haven't scored a goal yet and considered 7 goals in 3 matches. So it is
Right,
a
right.
point of talk.
Yes.
Yeah.
So moving on to our next question. So the first question is only for Deepraj, and it is about misfiring Chetri. Though he scored a penalty in the
Yeah.
last match, but still, if he's Chetri, though
Hmm.
you know the hype around him
Yeah.
and what a quality player he is. So what would you say about?
I would say yes, Sunil sir is misfiring a bit, but it's not only him. As I said earlier, we as an attacking unit are not just clicking yet. It's not just Sunil Chetri, it's Desh Brown or the new striker we just bought in. Even the midfield or the wingers, it's just not happening yet. And it's coming down to our striker specifically because the high standards again that they have set, and that we know that Sunil sir is capable of. And the second one of my personal opinions, that I think being 36-year-old, even though he's still one of the fittest Indian players out there, if I may say,
No doubt about it.
but it's
Yeah.
high time Carlos shifts him a bit centrally now, where he's
He's
still
playing on
one
the
of the
left
best.
wing,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. He's still putting him out there on the left wing, and he's still giving that defensive input as well as the attacking input. And being a 36-year-old, it takes a lot from him. So
Correct.
I think it's high time he sticks him centrally, where he's still one of the best player out there.
Correct. No doubt. Okay, so next question to Rahul. The
Yeah.
Sergio Lobera saga. Why was he removed and all those things? What do you think about it? And obviously,
Oh
the
my God.
players which left
The-
to
Yeah.
Mumbai City FC with him.
Yeah.
What
So
would
I
you
guess that was the biggest news. Like in the mid of the season, sacking him, it was like inappropriate. Like there were news that he was going to be sacked, but the management cleared that no, he will be at till the end of the season. The issues were about the contract renewal because he was at the end of his contract and the contract renewal was on the line after the season, I guess. So that was the reason because he was he joined literally after FC Goa finished the season at the last spot in before season, and he literally in the 3 years he performed pretty well. Like we won two cups under him, the Super Cup and the Shield, and
Shield? Okay,
we were also the first team to qualify for the AFC
correct.
Yeah.
Champions League, and like the attacking form in which we were and the type of combination he said and he was like the highest paid coach in ISL also, so it was mandatory that he should be given a raise, but it was dispute between the management and the coach that
And the coach.
we won't increase your salary because you are firstly the highest paid coach of ISL. So that
Correct.
was a weird. Like most of the fans said that there is a dispute between the players and the coach, but it was not the issue because players were pretty good. Players had a pretty good relationship with the Sergio Lobera, and he was a fan favorite and the player favorite too. So it was not the
Yeah,
issue.
it
But
was a shock for the
uh,
neutral fan as well.
and
Even I
that
A
was
too
major
Yes.
almost,
heartbreak for FC Goa fans.
yeah, because almost 1 or 2 games before the playoffs, they have sacked him, and Miranda had to come and settle. But still, that was a heartbreak.
Okay, so coming to Thomas, what do
Yes.
you think? Who is Sandesh Jingan's replacement?
So Sandesh Jingan replacement was a really, really shock for us. That is the good one word. It is good to say that the shock. And he came to us as a player, a young player with 21 years old. He played like a good, the best defender of the country, and he retired or he left us like a legend. So see, even we retired the number 21 as for the club, and we was really shocked. And as a fan, we are really happy for him because he is getting new opportunities, and he is going to abroad for signing for new clubs. So since that all things came up, so we were really happy for him because it will be good for our even our country. The standard is increasing for our country, the football things and all. So that was really shock for us, and he signed. So after that, the pandemic and all came up, the COVID scenes and all. So you
Before
have
that, he
to
was
play.
linked to a Abu Dhabi club, right?
yeah,
Yes,
Qatari
it
club, I
was.
guess he was in.
Yes, he was
Qatari.
saying like, so actually we are really happy for him because he is going to abroad and all. So
Correct.
it is good for our nation too. So the another thing, he means COVID scenes and all came up. So you have to play. You can't stop playing and simply sit for the better means better opportunities. We don't know what's the situation coming up. So till he was signing to ATK, we are not means we are not any problem with that and all. And the number of years he signed for ATK, that made the fans kind of we literally kind of is starting hating him. Kind of he signed even if he was trying to go abroad and all, or why should he sign for 5 years contract?
Correct.
That was literally means that makes fans kind of even though they retired number 21, we were like fans are like coming into Instagram page and commenting like, no, we don't want to retire 21 for playing in another ISL team. So
Total
he
hatred.
was, yes, he was ours and we think he's ours. That's it. Even if we play for any club, we think he was ours. And if we are thinking of this current season, we are not worried about his replacement. We got two strong backs, Bekrikon and Costa in our back. So we are not worried about our center backs, only that the mid combinations are missing and the finishing. That's it. So in replacement, we will definitely miss him from our heart. So we will miss him.
Correct. Agreed.
Yeah,
So
like we can
yes.
see Jingan
Yeah.
playing very well, yeah. Because
Yes.
we can see him up in the pitch, he's pressing very well. Like up to the mids, he's pressing, so he's playing
Yeah,
very
Last
well.
match,
he's
Very
back
good.
to
so
fitness. He's back to
last
fitness.
match at the 94th minute, he given that assist and they won the
Gave
game with
assist.
that one
Right.
goal.
One goal.
Yeah,
He is
Roy
creating
Krishna
back
and
end
scored.
of
Roy
Ronaldo.
that
Krishna
line.
header, yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
So that's it.
Okay, so that's the end of our question. So it was a really great session with you guys. Great answer, and you are real fans of your club. So we'll end this session right here, and we'll surely join next Sunday with all three
Okay.
of you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thanks
Thank
a
you
Thank
so
you.
lot.
much
Good
for
See you
joining.
next week.
Thank you, guys.
Yes,
Thank you.
good
See you
to
next.
see you. Good to see you.
hashtag Let's Football.
Let's
Let's
Yeah, let's
football.
football.
Yeah.